we will solve this one. 30 is 20% of what number? Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, so kopyahan natin si 30. Then, if sinabi natin is or meaning that is equal to 20%. Okay, of what number? So, we will assign a variable or any variable, pwedeng n, pwedeng x. Okay, so 30 equals, ano muna natin itong percent, gawin nating decimal form. So, 20% magiging 0.2. Kasi i-move natin yan 2 places to the left. So, 1, 2. So, magiging 0.2 na yan. Then, x. And then, i-divide natin both sides by 0.2. Okay? So, cancel natin yan. So, ang naiwan dito, x. Dito sa kabila, 30 divide by 0.2. So, i-divide natin yan. 30 divided by 0.2. So, i-move natin sa right ng isang place. Dito din, mag-move tayo ng isang place. Okay, so maghanap tayo ng number na kapag i-multiply natin ay magiging 3. Pwede natin i-diretso, pwede rin hindi. Okay, so that is 1. Pwedeng 3, pwede rin less than 3. So the result is 1. So 1 times 2 is 2. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. Then bring down natin yung 0. So hanap naman tayo ng number na kapag i-multiply natin sa 2 magiging 10 or less than 10. So 5. So 10. 0, then i-bring down natin yung 0 dito. So, 0. Okay, so therefore, the correct answer is letter A.